Hi, and welcome to our course overview for the packed video course Security Engineering for the IoT. My name is Brian Russell, and since 2014, I've been the chair of the Cloud Security Alliance Internet of Things Working Group. Over that time frame, we've released guidance documents focused on secure enterprise IoT, secure IoT product development, and even secure drone deployments for smart municipalities. I also work at Leidos as a chief engineer focused on cybersecurity research and development, where I have worked on securing small unmanned aerial systems or drones, connected vehicles, and industrial control systems. I currently lead efforts to apply blockchain to new use cases for a secure IoT. I'm also the co-author of the packed book, Practical Internet of Things Security. In this course, we'll learn how to design a secure IoT device, why and how safety should be considered in IoT system implementations, how to integrate cryptographic modules and controls in IoT systems, effective techniques for managing cryptographic keys for IoT systems, why the Security Credential Management System was developed to secure connected vehicles, and how to securely integrate cloud services into your IoT systems. This volume targets IoT product designers, IT security professionals, and security engineers who would like to ensure the security of their organization's data through design techniques, applied cryptography, and secure cloud connectivity. It's beneficial to first complete the packed video course, Fundamentals of IoT Security.